Okay, good morning. Can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you? Yeah, it's been a long
I'm
time.
fine. Thank you.
Yeah, so how are you today? Okay, so how are you today?
Hello?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you.
Okay, that's good. So how are you today? Doing
A
great?
little bit. Yes. I still have a little bit tired.
Oh, so how was your work? It's okay?
Yes. I will
Okay.
come back. I will come. I will go to work today afternoon.
Ah, so you have your vacations? You have vacation
That's
with your family?
that's
Wow. Oh, so you really spent a lot of time with your family. You went to your hometown.
that's 1 week.
You're good. Okay. So let us have this.
One that's
Mm-hmm.
1 week.
Oh, you're good.
That's 1 week for summer holiday.
Oh, so you have 1 week summer holiday.
That's
Wait me for a minute. Mm-hmm. Where is it? I
Do you
forgot.
have a summer holiday?
Oh, yeah,
Uh,
we had.
for very
Mm,
vacation.
yeah, summer vacation. Our summer vacation started June 1 and we're going back to school by end of July. That's 31st of July. So it's 2 months. In
That's
Vietnam, I guess it's 3 months in Vietnam. So you have 9 months
that three
only.
months.
Yes, 3 months.
Uh,
So in Philippines, in
that
2 months.
uh, our children that uh, our children had a three month from summer vacation. But actually they
Mm.
only have they only have uh, one 1 month half. No,
One
one
month
half month.
vacation.
No, um 1 month half. It's 1 half month.
It is summer vacation or
One
no?
one and a half months.
1.5 months.
Yes, and they come back, and our children come back school for from um, um today we will have a unit 9 vacation time.
Okay, Unit 9, small talk. I mean, ending conversation. Oh, sorry. Mm, We have ordering numbers, figures. We're done with this. Dates and so time and expression. We are done. So we are now in
No, unit 9
Unit 9.
vacation time.
Yeah, vacation time. Okay. So our topic for today, it suits on your vacation times. You have a long vacation. Okay? Yes. So we are talking here about vacation time. So we have memo. Okay, please read, Miss Buyen. This is an email to all employees from j.davis@flint.com. Okay, please read the email. Okay, please read this one, memo. Okay, you can read your notes if you have. Okay,
Okay.
okay, please read.
Uh, let me read. Let me read
Yes, go.
this email, right? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
go,
Sorry.
please. Mm-hmm.
Have a miss. Recently, there is a subject ton of policies at Kinitech. Recently, there have
Yes.
been confusion about our time of policies. Please review the following. On
Mm-hmm.
employees may take time off when they need it.
Hmm.
These day off are taken uh, from the paid vacation time. Uh, we offer 20 days paid vacation time in addition to public holidays. Remember to request time off 2 weeks in advance.
Mm-hmm.
Make arrangements with the supervisor to avoid dispatching workflow. As
Mm-hmm.
we are open 7 days a week, we cannot have too many employees take time off on weekends. Please request weekdays off when possible. Sick time is not to be used for vacation. Notify payroll if time off should come from sick time. Contact me or my assistant, Mary, will with any questions.
Okay, so what do you think the memo is all about? So you read the memo to all employees. What do you think it is about?
Policies,
Policies?
reviewing for that. I know, let's see what that means. On employees may take time off when they are taken from the paid vacation time, and we offer 20 days. Uh, actually, uh, I think 20 days for vacant time there is too much. In Vietnam,
Mm-hmm.
our that's in Vietnam, our vacant time 1 year is 12 um uh 12 days,
How
12
many
days a
days?
year,
4 days? Four?
12, 12, 12,
Ah,
12
12. 12
days a year.
days. Ah, okay. In a year. In a year.
That's 12 days in a year.
Okay. So here, they offer 20 days. In Vietnam, it's 12 days. Okay. So what do you think they're talking, or what do you think the memo is all about?
You you have a you just have asked me what question.
Okay, Miss Huyen, what do you think the memo is all about? The memo is all about this one, the one you read. What do you think the memo? What do you think this email all about?
Memo. Memo,
Memo.
what does it mean?
Memo, this one, the email.
Mm. Uh,
Okay?
Memo is take note.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Memo. It's a memo. It's a
No.
shirt of notice. It's a shirt of announcement, maybe, that you are going to tell to your employees.
Suddenly I have that. Suddenly I have uh that. Suddenly I have a report to. I have a report to take note. Our day off. Our day off.
Mhm. Okay, so you have your day off. So in Vietnam, how many days you will travel? I mean, you will going to work like Monday to like Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday?
Mm, you uh,
Okay, so Miss Huyen, the memo is all
wait,
about.
wait for me a minute.
Yeah,
Wait for me a minute.
yeah, it's okay.
Okay, sorry. One customer asked me for the quotation, so
Uh,
I have I have a
You're
just
confused?
answer. Uh,
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. So I know you are tired. Just fresh from vacation. Fresh from
yeah.
vacation.
Okay, now let me
Kana murag na na day, it's a day.
make arrangement with the supervisor to avoid distracting work.
Huh? Okay. So they have, oh, it's okay. You write it down before you read to me.
Distracting là làm cái nữa. Okay, start first about.
Đây, đây. Okay? So again, so many mosquito. Naglamok. Nakita ng tagmay lamok ba? Okay? So Miss Huyen, go Miss Huyen.
Okay, girl.
Mhm.
Before you read the passage, talk about the question. Uh, you can ask me some question in advance.
Mm. So I ask you, so the memo is all about
What?
policy, about
Sorry.
holidays, vacation time, right? The memo is about vacation time, holiday, and we have here, they're talking about policy. The policy is about vacation time, holiday, the weekend and weekdays, the sick time. So they are talking about here, right? They're talking about policy.
No, actually, you mean our you mean uh we need to have a memo we need to have a memo for day of following company policy, right?
Yes, yes. So in here, this is the email. They are having memo
Mm, That's
following company
that's
policy. Yeah,
me.
correct.
That's normally we need to have a memo of day of um, then submit to our community to human resource to submit
Okay.
our community human resource to um uh, that that thing has HR to record our day off.
Okay, yes, yes. Okay. So in Vietnam, how many days? How many days you have off? 12 days in a year, in the year.
Uh, in Vietnam, following government, government Vietnamese Vietnam government policies, we have a 12 days for vacant time a year.
12 days vacation time. Okay. How about sick time?
Sick time.
Yeah, sick time. Example, if you got sick,
Ah,
the same,
no,
still
sick
12.
time, sick time is sick time. Sick sick time doesn't sick time doesn't include
Ah,
sick time. That sick time doesn't include in vacant time.
okay,
If
different,
that
different. Okay, yeah, I understand. Sick time is different. It does not include in the
that
15.
if you have that if you have a sick time, you want to receive salary, to you need to have a doctor confirmation for uh for um, for sick for doctor confirmation
Okay, yes.
need to go to a hospital and
Ah,
uh, get doctor confirm
okay, yes.
sick
Yeah.
confirm.
You need to have a medical certificate. Medical certificate that you are sick. Hmm? That's it. That's I understand. You have medical certificate that you are sick. Fine.
Medical certificate.
Yeah,
That's right, medical certificate. Ah, certificate.
yeah,
Okay, that
yes.
you need to have. If you want to receive salary, you need to have That's present. That's Tuesday. That if you want to receive salary, and you need to have a medical
Certificate.
certificate to that to present and that you will sick.
Okay.
If not, that uh, if not this time, uh, this time is cái tính là this time is that's thời gian ốm à. This leave will be counted at the vacant time. Sick leave will be counted at vacant time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sick time is
Sick leave,
different. Sick time is
that
different
sick
from
time,
vacation time.
that if you don't have a medical certificate,
Certificate. You cannot
sick
have a
time
salary.
will be counted at vacant time.
You cannot have salary.
That
Okay. Yes, yes. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I understand. Okay, it's different maybe in Philippines. Okay, it really depends on the employer. So if your employer is good, then let me see. Sick leave will be counted as okay, okay. Yeah. It's actually different in my country. It's actually different in my country. It depends on
actually in my country. That
depends on and then depends on the employer.
beyond the employer.
Yeah. If big company, very nice. If you were employed in a big company, it's very nice. Yes. Okay, I know you are in a big company, Miss Huyen, because uh you have high salary, your company is really good and big in Vietnam. So you have all the policies. Okay. So now let us get ready. So please read and answer the questions. Before you read the passage, talk about these questions. So we have here, please talk about these questions. Number one, okay. Do you think, this is personal question, personal question. Number one,
do you think that someone do you think you should have more or less public holiday in our country?
yes. Do you think that? What do you think about this, Miss Huyen? Do you think you should have more or less public holidays in your country in Vietnam? In my country, in Philippines, we have many public holidays. I have here, we have actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
That
18, 19. We
that
have
that
20 public holiday in my country.
I think we should have a more public holiday in our country.
Yes, why? Why do you think so?
Because now following Vietnam government's policy, we need go to work on Saturday.
Mm.
We need go to work on Saturday, and
Really? In
that
Vietnam today?
we only have one day that
Rests.
we only have one day for a week. for
Vacation. I mean week.
vacation time.
Mm-mm.
Yes. So I think one day is the to later
To spend.
uh, to spend to solve.
Oh,
One day is the
to spend time with family.
yes.
Sunday. Okay. Go, Miss Uyen. Go. So you think, yeah, I understand. You said you have one day only in a week for family. So you want to add more public holiday in your country in Vietnam.
Yes.
That's good. In my country, we have more likely 20 or more public holiday in a year. 20 or more public holiday in the year. We don't have class that time.
How much vacation time do people get in our country?
No, in a week.
In a week,
Yeah,
is one day
yeah. No. In a week,
on Sunday.
I am in educational institutions. We are in school. I am working in school. So we only have 5 days work. We don't have Saturday and Sunday. No Saturday and Sunday. Only 5 days work. 5 days only.
That I hope we will have a 5 day work 5 day work 1 week, and we will have a 2 days for vacation time.
Yes, Saturday. Oh, that's new in Vietnam. That's new. It's Monday to Saturday.
That
Okay. So actually,
it's Monday and Thursday. If you work if you work in Vietnam
school.
government
Uh,
that you will have a 5 day work, but
okay, yes.
following that because now I have a 5 day now I have a
Work.
5 day work because I work as a commercial assistant at foreign company Germany
Okay.
company. So
Mm.
I just get 5 day work.
Okay, that's good. Because you work in the foreign company, that's why you have 5 days work only. Saturday and Sunday you are
That's
free.
that's why I have
Saturday
only
and
5 days
Sunday.
for vacation.
Oh,
That's Saturday and Sunday.
wow. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday relax time for you. So you didn't need to go to work. Okay. Second, please read number 2.
Hello?
Yes. So number 2, please read number 2.
Uh, how much vacation time do people get in the country?
Mm-hmm.
I just answer this question that there are 12 days in our country for vacation time.
Mm. Yes, yeah. You answered it already. But Miss Wian, I have questions. So, for the 12 days vacation time in your country, you are paid. You have salary for that one, for the 12 days. Oh, you said
That's
12 days.
for 12 days. That
You,
Certainly we have a salary 12 days for 12 day vacation time.
okay. So at least you have salary for that one, for the vacation time. Okay, that's good
No,
enough.
normal salary, not
Normal salary.
normal salary, not at least
Okay, normal salary. That's
Based
good.
on the salary, yes, based on the salary, based on the normal salary.
Okay, so Miss Huyan, I will ask you, how much is the salary in Vietnam if you are a teacher? Do you have
Not
any
high.
idea? Do you have any idea? Example, you're a teacher, foreign teacher in Vietnam. How much do you think is the salary?
Actually, actually, if you work as a teacher at Vietnam government school, the salary is not high. The
Oh,
salary is not high, but
ah,
you need that. But you need you can earn you can earn much money
public,
for
private schools.
private school and
Ah,
teach our children of time off.
it's different. Naku, student.
Long
Ah,
time off.
it's different. Okay, yeah, yeah, I understand. So it's opposite in my country. In my country, if you work in the private company, your salary is low. You work in the public, high. Different. Yeah, it's different. But the quality of education is different too. The books that private schools are using are different from the public schools.
That's the country a lot tutoring.
What do you mean? Come again?
I
Ah,
have
yeah,
a
yeah.
recent message.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, we do. Private schools do tutoring. We have tutorials. Mostly private schools have tutorials. We have.
Mm.
Hmm. Okay, so we have here. Now, okay,
Please
so
embrace the office memo.
if you were gonna check on the memo,
That's
okay, what do you think is the office memo mostly about? Based on what you read. Here, based on what you read. What do you think? A, B, C, or D? It is
what is the office memo? What is the office memo?
mostly about.
Mostly about that rules protecting some of the changing forms of policy different that is in the number.
Wait, Miss Wian. Sorry. So this is listening and reading. Okay, so what is the office memo mostly about? Okay, different ways. We cannot answer this because this is listening skills. Okay, so
Uh,
sorry. Okay, yeah. So let us have here the speaking. Okay, so please read student A. Student A here. Down. Student A under speaking. Your employees want some time off. Ask student B about vacation time, dates, and approval. Make a trip you went on previously. Okay, make a conversation. You speak about A.
so employee wants some time off as student B. Uh, so employee wants some time off. Ask student B about waiting time, date approval. Make up a chips you went to previously. Um, so employee wants some time off.
Okay. So your employee
Next,
wants some time off. Okay, you go. You try to tell me. Okay, I want to have vacations like this. The date will be like this. Okay, will you approve or like that? Just simple.
That's I want to know. That's first of all, I want to know. I want to know the planning for vacation time, and when do you start? When do you start for the vacation time?
Mm-hmm.
That's the uh, that help me that help me to arrange other employee to replace the work,
Mm-hmm.
and then um then uh, I will approve the I will approve uh,
Your your vac your vacation form.
and and take and make a approval that
Okay.
make a and and I will approve for the vacation form.
Okay. Yes. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so your employee wants some time off. So that's correct. What you have said, your vacation time, and you have to make to know the dates of your vacations. Okay. So if you are example, Miss Huyan, you are the employee. Okay. So you will gonna ask your boss that you need vacation. How you will gonna say it?
Hmm?
Example, you are the employee. You will ask your boss, example, you will ask your boss that you will gonna have vacation. How you will gonna tell it to your boss? Example, I am your boss. You will gonna ask me about vacation. I will write here.
Please repeat again.
Okay. Example, I am your boss. How you will
Hmm.
tell me that you need vacation, that you need to file a vacation leave. Okay, that one.
I'm the boss. How you will gonna wanna tell me that you need to fire vacation? Uh, uh, Boss, I want to submit my vacation form for 5 days, leave, for 5 day leave. I will appreciate, I will finish on my work. I will finish on my work before leaving, before leaving or before having vacation time. Um, and I talked to my employee. I talk to my employee, Miss Ha. She will help me. She will help me to handle all of my work for during my vacation time. So please approve my vacation. Um,
Okay, very good. So you were asking to approve your vacation form. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's the good thing that you are gonna ask to your employer, just in case you need to file vacation leave. Okay, so we have here in the vocabulary in the word bank. So we have here different words. Can you please tell me what is the correct word for each of the sentences given 1 to 6 below? Number one, please read.
Ria,
Mhm.
fill in blank with the correct word and places from the word bank. Holidays, time of vacation time in advance, day of weekend. Request time of 3 weeks, request time of 3 weeks.
Request time of 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
What's the
In
answer?
advance. In advance.
Okay, request time of 3 weeks in advance. Let us see number 2. Sarah needs.
Sarah needs go to the doctor. Sarah needs a day off to go
Correct,
to
very good.
the
Day off.
doctor.
Correct. 3.
Being his life working on that was on Saturday anyway. Being this life working on vacation time, but work on Saturday anyway.
Okay. Bill dislike
Hello?
working on vacation
Being
time. Are
he
you
like
sure?
working on weekend.
Okay, weekends. Okay, but
Vacation
we're
time or weekend.
okay.
Weekend.
Okay, weekends. Okay, correct, weekends. Number 4.
Weekend. And on companies have a time for their employees to follow.
Have
Have a
policies.
policies.
Correct. For their employees to follow. Very
Policies
good.
for their employees to follow.
Yes, very
Only the
good.
manager can approve. That's what you mean. Our boss
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I have a urgent. Hello, teacher. Sorry for
Yeah,
missing.
it's
I
okay.
have a
It's okay. Tanawa ang
sorry
ano.
for missing. I have
Okay, yeah, it's
a
okay. Ah, you have meeting?
urgent. Medical from my past.
Ah, okay. So you have meeting now? Sorry.
No. Only
Ah,
the manager can approve. Only the manager can approve policy work. Ano?
okay.
Approve a time of work.
Okay, time of work. Okay, correct. So six, number six.
That company give the title, give a list uh, mm, vacant time, so he doesn't take long trip.
Ah, okay, yeah, very good. Jack's company gives little vacation time, so he doesn't take long trips. Okay, that's good. Okay, so very easy to understand. Okay, last one, Miss Uyan. So number four. Please read number four. This one, last one.
Pay given to employees who are in should not be used for vacation.
Okay, what is this? What's number one?
Should not be used for
It is actually can be found above.
vacation. Give employees who are in should be used for vacation.
You
Uh,
can find it above.
uh, in, in certificates. Ano?
No. Pay given employees who are ill should not be used for vacation. What is that? What is this that blank? This is
I don't know. I don't know.
sick time.
I don't.
Okay. Sick time. S I
I
C
take
K.
time.
Yeah, sick
I
time.
no
Okay.
no no. Take time.
Okay. Did you ask for some time off?
Do you ask
What
for
is
some
ask for?
time?
Asks.
Request.
Okay, very good. Did you ask for? It means
Request.
requests. Okay. Number three.
Tesla doesn't have a time of day of celebration. Mm, mm,
Special days of celebrations.
Ngày tổ chức đặc biệt. Memory à? Ano? No. No.
Special days of vacations. It
I
is
don't know.
okay. Special days of vacations. Maybe we can find it here. Okay, it's advanced holidays, maybe. It's O. Yeah, it's holidays. Okay,
Holidays.
yeah,
Holidays.
holidays. Okay, four.
The office is only open. The
Monday
office is only open Monday through
to
Friday.
Friday. What is
Friday.
this?
Office is only open Monday through From việc mà đến nay có. Ừ.
It is Monday to
Weekend.
Friday. Okay, it
Weekend.
is
Weekend.
Monday through
Weekend. Weekend.
Friday. Monday to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What is the term for
Monday
Friday?
through Friday. Weekend.
Okay, it's
Weekend.
weekdays. 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 Yeah. Weekdays. Weekdays. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday, weekends. Saturday and Sunday, weekends. Monday to Friday, weekdays. Okay, but actually, if you were gonna check here, the same spelling. So look at the spelling. It's just the same. Okay, have you seen that? Have you checked? Okay, have you checked, Miss Uyen? They are the
Yes.
same. Okay, they are the same. Okay, so you understand all? Very easy. We're just talking today about vacation time. Okay, memo, okay, vacation time, generally vacation time. We talk today vacation time only. Okay, so next time we will gonna have, okay, prices. Wait, Miss Nguyen, I will ask from my
Okay.
friend.
Okay.
I yeah, I will ask
That's
from my
okay.
friend.
No,
Yeah,
that's all for today.
okay, I will ask from my friend that I need to have listening for business class. Business class, I need to have listening skills. Listening skills for business class. So you can try listening skills for business class. Did you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Mhm. I need to have listening skills for business class. Very important. Reading and vocabulary is very good here. Very good.
You have no listening file, right?
Yeah, I will send it. I will try to ask from my friend to have business English listening skills for you. It's very important for you. Okay? Reading
Yes,
and
listening skills
vocabulary,
for business
very
class.
good already. Reading and vocabulary, very good already. Right? It's good enough.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Uyen, for today. Okay, it's a great time having
Okay.
a good
That's
time
thank you
with
so much
you.
for our teachers.
Yes, you are very
I
busy
will see you
this
soon.
week. When will be
That
our next class?
I'm so busy this week, and that I will inform you the next class as soon as possible.
Yes. Okay, please inform me so that I can arrange my schedule. Okay, because
Okay, thank you.
the class starts on 31st of July. I need to arrange my schedule for you. So there is no
That's okay.
conflict.
Thank you.
Okay? Yes. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Uyen. God bless.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.